Words are powerful. They're more than just sounds. They shape our reality and reflect our inner thoughts. Yet many of us speak carelessly, unaware of their impact. Every word we say casts a ripple, affecting not just the moment, but our deeper self. It's essential to choose our words wisely. Casual remarks can shape our mindset. If we constantly talk of struggles, our mind believes it. Remember, our words are not fleeting. They echo in our souls. Choose positivity. Speak life. The subconscious mind doesn't judge. It simply acts on what we believe deep down. Our words, then, have the power to create our reality. We manifest what we assume to be true. Often, without noticing, our words reveal these deep beliefs. And these beliefs, they come to life in our daily experiences. As Joseph Murphy put it, what we plant in our subconscious, we see in our life. So if you keep talking about feeling weak, you'll feel it even more. On the flip side, if you focus on lack of love, you'll find less of it. Choose your words and beliefs wisely. They shape your world. The subconscious mind doesn't judge, it just listens. So when you say, "I don't want to be sad," it hears, "sad." But why, when wanting happiness, do we sometimes feel the opposite? We attract not what we wish for, but what we believe we are. Instead of focusing on not being unhappy, say, "I am happy and grateful." Make it a present reality. This sets a powerful emotional base. Your state of being shapes your life more than just words. Simply talking about wealth isn't enough. Feeling rich inside is the key. Choose words that align with your desired reality and truly feel them. Feeling truly abundant changes everything. When you're grateful for what you have, your words become more positive. Pay attention to what you say and how you feel. Your words reveal hidden beliefs that shape your world. Even jokes matter. Making fun of yourself might get a laugh, but it plants seeds of doubt in your mind. Every word you embrace has an impact. So if you constantly complain, you're feeding the things you dislike, making them stronger. It's like a couple always pointing out flaws. They just find more. Instead, choose words that empower and uplift. Instead of saying, "I hope I can win," say, "I trust I will win." Feel the difference? And don't just try your best. Believe you'll do amazingly. Words are powerful tools. Use them to build a beautiful reality. Words are a window into our soul, revealing our deepest thoughts and feelings. Hence, it's vital to pick them wisely. Let love guide your internal conversation. When you nurture positive self-talk filled with compassion and self-love, it becomes the foundation for what you express outwardly. Over time, a love-centered mindset creates beautiful outcomes. Words matter. If you ever doubt their strength, listen to people around you. Those facing hardships might speak of scarcity, while those thriving discuss abundance. Yet it's crucial to understand this isn't about judging. Both are invaluable in their unique ways, reflecting the vast spectrum of life's experiences. Their words aren't just random choices. They're born from their beliefs and perceptions. So choose your words with care, letting them echo the life you dream of. Remember, each word is a step towards your envisioned reality. By tweaking our inner dialogue, we can reshape our reality. As Hermes Trismegistus once highlighted, our gift of speech and thought sets us alongside immortals. Our words aren't fleeting. They echo endlessly, influencing both our personal experiences and the world at large. Over time, these vibrations build up, molding the events around us. Realize this: you're timeless. Your words are powerful, almost like magical spells. By grasping the true essence of speech and thought, as Hermes Trismegistus suggests, we can navigate not just this life, but transcend into realms beyond. Harness your words wisely, for they craft your journey. Words have a power that extends beyond our momentary existence. Their echoes reach far, influencing not just our immediate surroundings, but also unseen realms. This understanding underscores the importance of choosing our words with care. Every word we utter adds to the collective consciousness, either amplifying love and positivity or sowing seeds of negativity and discord. If we speak negatively of the world, we feed its challenges. If we dwell on our personal struggles, they intensify. But there's a transformative power within each of us waiting to be channeled. By consciously selecting words of love, kindness, and optimism, we can witness a change, not just within ourselves, but in the world around us. Conversely, if we let negativity prevail in our speech, the atmosphere it creates reflects the same. The world isn't just an external entity, it's a reflection of our internal state. Within every individual lies a sanctuary, a kingdom of heaven. It's not a distant place, but a mindset, a state of elevated consciousness. Recognize it, nurture it, and you'll witness its transformative magic in every aspect of your life. Each of us holds a remarkable power, transforming dreams into reality. Dive deep, awaken the inner strength, and you won't just change your world, but others too. Your words are the key. Choose them wisely. Let them echo with intention, and they can weave the magic around you. When you speak and believe with all your heart, you don't just envision a heaven, you create it right here, shaping a world that mirrors your deepest aspirations. I truly hope that you found this knowledge helpful in your journey. Please help others and spread this wisdom by giving this video a like, sharing it, and commenting your biggest takeaway. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to spiritually awaken and manifest the life of your dreams.